Hi guys, welcome to Daily Functional Medicine Tips. It is Wellness Wednesday and I just finished my yoga practice and I decided to give you guys like kind of a different little tip today. I really wanted you to have something that you could use starting today. And so I want to give you a short video and just a quick tip or something that you can do if you're ever feeling like super anxious or your like heart's beating fast, your chest is feeling tight, like you're just like really nervous about something. I have this quick tip way that you can instantly like drop into your body, slow your heart rate down, slow your breathing down, and really just like calm that anxiety. I will tell you, when I learned this practice a few years ago, I use it all the time. If it's a night where I can't get myself to settle down to go to sleep, this is a practice that I do. I've taught it to tons of my friends that work in the healthcare field because I used to use it when I was working in trauma surgery and something like super serious was coming in and everyone was freaking out. I used this exact technique that I'm going to teach you right now to keep myself calm and present and focused on what it is that I needed to do. So you can use it to go to sleep, or you can use it if you just need to calm yourself down and stay in the moment of what you're doing, okay? So the way we're gonna do it today and the best way to learn it is to get yourself like in a, what you would do if you were gonna do like a meditation. So you're not gonna, I don't have to sit in a meditative pose. Obviously, I probably, as you can imagine, I wasn't at work like sitting in the floor like in a meditation pose doing this exercise. But that's the best way to learn it. So until you can really learn this technique, it's good to sit and practice it. And then that way it becomes so intuitive that you can use it out in the real world and you don't have to be so focused on just this practice, okay? So today we're gonna do it in more of a meditation way, and you can just do it when you're lying in bed, and you can do it at other times if you're just sitting and you need to take a minute, okay? So you want to just sit upright. It's good to have good posture. The reason why we like to sit up tall whenever we're doing meditation is because it really helps the lungs to expand. If you're hunched over and you're closed in, it's harder to take a deep breath. So that's one of the main reasons why in meditation and in breathing exercises we like to sit up tall. So the first thing you want to do is just relax your hands in your laps. You don't have to do like any hand mudras or anything special like that. Hands in laps, totally fine. Next, you want to just close your eyes. Whenever I get into this position, I like to do like a little shake with my body because it really does just kind of like help me sink into my body and like help me, just be more present with myself. And so the next thing you want to do before you start is you want to take a deep breath in through your nose, blow it out your mouth, 2 more times of that. And then I want you to breathe with me. We're going to inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath at the top. Exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a deep breath in, out the mouth. One more time, inhale, out the mouth. And that's it. So that's called box breathing. The reason why it's called box breathing is for obvious reasons. You're inhaling for a count of 4. You're holding your breath at the top for a count of 4. You're exhaling for a count of 4. You're holding it at the bottom for a count of 4. And so whenever you're inhaling for 4 and holding and holding and holding and you're doing everything for a count of 4, you have no choice but to focus on your breathing. So that's why this is like a really great way of snapping yourself out of anxiety, snapping yourself out of worry, and that mind just like racing, is because you must, if you're gonna breathe and control your breathing on a count of 4 and hold it and exhale and all that, there's no way that you can think about anything else. Because if you think about anything else, then you lose count. So I like to do this like, it depends on how much time I have, right? So like if I'm laying in bed, I'll just keep doing it over and over an unlimited amount of times, and then eventually I just fall asleep. If I'm in a setting where I just need to settle myself for a few minutes, I'll even do the breathing with my eyes closed and like no one even knows that I'm doing it. I swear to God, I did this at work all the time. No one ever knew when I was doing it. I looked like I was just deep in thought and like thinking and like planning. I swear to God, I was doing this breathing exercise. So you can do it whenever, and all you're doing is taking your mind, connecting it to your breath, and that will get you out of your head like that. So use this video that I just made as like just a way to teach yourself. That's it, okay? This is, by, technically it's called pranayama, breath control. That's the formal practice of it. But it has so many benefits. Beyond taking you out of your anxiety and your head and all of that other stuff, I will tell you, I used to use this on my patients when I worked in the ICU and in the hospital. If I had to do a really painful procedure, while I was doing the procedure, if I knew that the patient was anxious or worried, I would coach them through this. I would do exactly what I just did with you guys while I was working, and I swear to God, it was like magic, okay? Patients that needed really painful procedures done, that we had to do together, if I coached them on their breathing and I just talked through this, I swear to God, it was like not painful at all. You getting out of your head and focusing on your breathing, you connect your mind with your body instantly, and it takes away all of that just like mind racing. So I really hope that you enjoyed this practice. I really want to share things like this with you guys. If you liked it, please tell me. Comment, send me a direct message, whatever you want. If you want me to show you guys some other practices, the ideas that I have are like, I would love to show you like a yoga pose that you can do, while you're at your desk or while you're driving in the car. Yes, you can do a yoga pose while you're driving in the car at a red light. You can just tilt your head to the side. So I can teach you all that stuff. But if you're interested in learning any of those things, please comment, send me a direct message. I really want to know, because I want to give you guys the tips that you need to improve your health and wellness. So let me know. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I hope you enjoyed Wellness Wednesday, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Please click the subscribe button. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Make sure you click the thumbs up if you liked this video, and also comment below. If you have any questions or you have any requests for other videos, I can't wait to talk with you.